Colorado has seen 9 cases of lung illness related to vaping, all mostly affecting teens and young adults. Nationwide, more than 1,000 people have gotten sick and at least 18 have died. This afternoon, the Marijuana Enforcement Division discussed whether to ban some ingredients in those vaping products.
Denver 7's Megan Lopez shows us what the ingredients are and what the rules could mean for those of you who vape.
These rules also expressly prohibit the use of the following ingredients in marijuana concentrate.
It was a hearing that could set a precedent in Colorado and across the country. After more than 1,000 reported vaping-related illnesses, the state is considering new rules for marijuana vape products.
Our priority at the Marijuana Enforcement Division is always protecting public health and safety.
Part of the proposal is a ban on 3 ingredients in some of these products.
So this is a step in the right direction to make sure that we are following FDA guidelines where possible.
Those ingredients are vitamin E acetate,
which is appropriate for topicals like lotions and creams and things like that, but not appropriate to inhale.
medium chain triglycerides.
It's commonly a product of refined coconut oil, which again, okay to eat, okay for skin use, but not okay to inhale.
And polyethylene glycol. Dr. Tyrell Toll is the Director of Chemistry and Extraction at MedPharm, which makes these products. He supports the rule change.
You do not need to use any of these chemicals at all.
I'd also like to comment on the banning of MCT oil.
Stephen Cobb from Keybar LLC, meanwhile, wants to make sure that these rules aren't just a knee-jerk reaction to the vaping-related illnesses.
Broad bans can really shut down a lot of products in an unfair way that doesn't improve the safety for consumers.
Cobb agrees that more needs to be done to regulate the industry, but he's worried about unintended consequences, like manufacturers just switching to another questionable ingredient. So he's hoping for some clarification before the rules are approved.
I think there's a happy middle ground, and as with all legislation, getting the details right is really important.
Ultimately, it will be up to the licensing board to decide whether these rules are the right move for the state for the sake of safety. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.
And the licensing authority will make a final decision about the rules in November, and if approved, they'll go into effect January 1st.